Good morning and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu for each and everyone. Many of you know me. My name is Liaquat Ali. I am the resident of Hyderabad in Omnagar near Masjid Sultan Shah Rahmatullah Alai. What I want to tell is beware of marriages, because I have a very bad experience to share with you. Like, I was an non-resident Indian from 1st November 2009 to 15th August 2018. Since then, I am staying in India. Over and above, I married to a lady on 10th December 2018 named Aisha Afreen. She is also resident of Hyderabad, flat number 102, plot number 38, Omnagar, Langar House, near Sultan Shah Qibla Rahmatullah Alai, Hyderabad, Golconda Post. This is the address. What I have to tell you is, since the day we married until today, until yesterday night, yesterday evening, we were fighting too much. Now the matter has gone to the police station, to the Langar House police station. So what I want to tell is, I have been cheated. I have been cheated for marriage by a gang from Hyderabad. That is mainly Aisha Afreen and her uncle, yani father's brother, Abdul Majid, son of Abdul Khuddus, and his son, yani Wahid, son of Abdul Samad, grandson of Abdul Khuddus. Then her auntie, yani Azizun Nisa, daughter of Abdul Khuddus, resident of Mehboob Nagar. Later, one more is the Khazi, the local Khazi, Muhammad Arif. He was the one who involved in this marriage. This big gang of people, they cheated me, saying that it was a late marriage, saying that she had been divorced by her first husband, saying that she has been away for more than 8 years from her second husband, saying all this bullshit. But it took me around 2 years approximately to come to know. But yesterday it has blasted to its complete. So this marriage is no more. I mean to say that the marriage that I was thinking as a marriage, marriage between elderly marriage, it is not a marriage. She is my girlfriend. Like, you know, a married woman having external affair is as if having a boyfriend. So we were staying together in the same house until today, even until yesterday. After this, I don't know what is going to happen. Now I am going to take this is called Fashe Nikah, dissolution of marriage. A man cannot marry an already married woman until she has been completely divorced by her first husband, previous husband, or else unless he dies and she completes idda. It is approximately 90 days. I met her first husband also. He is very clear. He says this woman married him and he left him without taking divorce, and he did not give any divorce. I met him and he made me clear, and I have all the documents. I have marriage certificates, Aadhaar cards, PAN cards, everything. So finally, my status is going to change as bachelor. So I don't have any wife. Not my first wife, Aisha Siddiqa, not my second wife, Fatima, not my third wife also, that is Aisha Afreen. So hereafter I am single. I am single. You can say I am single, ready to mingle, you can say. Yani, I have lost my faith in marriage. But inshallah, Allah will help me. This is an exam and inshallah I will come out of this. Jazakallah khair, and be aware of frauds. Be away from these frauds. Jazakallah khair. Because this is because our system is like that. Our system is like that. It does not check the things. Because I stayed in Qatar, there is a lot of difference from here to there. Before anyone marriage, there they will have a big checklist. Whether the woman is married previously or not, whether she is carrying any baby in the womb or not, whether she or he has any criminal records or not. All these things will be checked and confirmed, which is not done here. I am very sorry to say this. The system that we have in Qazi system, in Islamic Qazi system, is a bullshit. Is a bullshit. It has no base. And I have approached to them, the Qazi here, the head of the Qazi here, Sayyid Ashfaq Pasha, I think his name. They also have never helped us in coming out of this. Not even the police station is helping me. The Qazi says go to police station, the police station says go to Qazi. What is this? Where I should go? What I should do? Please help me. This is the system. But I am going to put an end for this. My Allah is with me. My Holy Quran is with me. This is the, you can say, the book for the guidelines of the total universe. Jazakallahu khair.